Today, let's talk about contracts, real estate contracts, and whether you need to use a real estate professional to purchase or sell your home. In Tennessee, most of the agents utilize the Tennessee Residential Purchase and Sale Agreement to negotiate their client's purchase of their new home. This particular document is drafted by the attorneys for the Tennessee Association of Realtors. It is an 11-page document that addresses timelines, escrow, inspections, purchase price, financing, even addresses things as to like what needs to happen if things go sideways. Now, the reason why I said that it's most agents who utilize it is because there are companies and there are agents across the state who don't utilize this document. They have chosen instead to hire their own attorney to draft their own purchase and sale agreement addressing those same things. Now, as you may or may not know, there is nothing standard in real estate. Anything and everything can be negotiated. However, once negotiated, you are expected to perform to those negotiations. This purchase agreement is a legally binding agreement that stipulates who, what, where, when, and how this purchase of this home or this purchase agreement is going to go from the moment that it is submitted to when it is accepted and through the closing of this transaction. Whether you're a buyer or seller, it is imperative that you familiarize yourself with this contract and ask any questions you may have so that is crystal clear as to what your expectations are. Primarily because if you breach the contract, you may have some serious ramifications. Do you have to utilize a real estate agent to buy or sell a home? No, you never had to. Answer is no. Should you? Yeah, it absolutely is a good idea. And perhaps that's something that I can address just on its own little video. So, can a buyer and seller write this contract to purchase on a napkin and call it a day? Technically, yes. And it can be legally binding as long as it meets the legal requirements of a contract. Is it a good idea? I would say no. But of course, I'm not an attorney. And so if that's the avenue that you're going to take, I strongly suggest that you talk to one. In the eastern part of Tennessee, we do not utilize real estate attorneys to navigate the transactions. Agents typically step in. Once the contract is signed, it goes to the title company. They do their work, and agents navigate their clients or hold their clients to the timelines that are specified within the contract just to make sure that there aren't any issues. What they do in the other part of the state, I don't know because I don't do business over there.